Good morning everyone, and welcome back to Larry's Fishing. We're actually fishing in a new spot today on the Edward River. We are at the Harfluer Street boat ramp. The boat ramp is right there. I'm just to the right of it. And this could be the widest part of the river. I don't know of any spot that's further across. But never tried fishing here. I've got cheese, bread, and corn. We'll try for a couple hours. If nothing happens, we'll move on. So for those of you that watch the channel on a regular basis, I fish quite often down at that point right there. You can see the leaning tree, and right over there is where the dog does the crossing on the river. So I'm only one street up. As you can see, it's a nice area down there. And it has a little inlet that goes back that way. That's on some private property. I'll have to get to know somebody. But there's a couple little canals that feed off of that as well. And I'm thinking about trying them at some point this winter. Oh, hooked into something. Oh, jeez. Right for the wall over here. Oh, huge carp. Huge. Oh, my goodness. There we go. Yep, new personal best. That is 75 centimeters. Just a big, massive carp. And we caught him off of corn. Oh. Well, 2.5 hours, and all I got was that monster carp. Not bad though, I'll take it. Personal best, 75 centimeters. Take that any day. I only got one other bite the rest of the day. I switched around between bread, cheese, and corn, but just nothing happening. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up, be much appreciated. And I'd like to thank everybody too for the support. Not only did we pass 750, we just blitzed it this week. Very much appreciated. Hope everybody's having a great day, and until next time, keep fishing.